What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Hope you like my new kind of camera with iPhone 15 Pro Max. So hopefully you like the new videos. But anyway, guys, how everybody knows, I try to pass this 100k FTMO challenge. So let's get straight to the point, guys. I haven't posted basically for a couple of for 1 week basically, yeah. The reason why, because I didn't want to just make a video, so everything could go smooth. Don't think I didn't fail yet, and I will still pass it slowly but confident. Let's just see the stats, yeah. So basically the reason that I haven't posted any updates only because if you're checking here, I was a little bit busy because obviously I'm not a full-time trader. I'm not a Forex guru trader who makes millions and billions out of the markets. So yeah, I still got a job. So I was a little bit busy with my job, but I still was kind of trying to get some trades, yeah. And I took kind of, it was like small wins. But anyway, today I was thinking like, man, I had like those 4 days that I was trading, yeah, it was still it still was a profitable days. Do we see right now we're sitting at 2.32, so it's not too bad, we're still growing. Yeah, obviously it's not that fast like reconciled, how everybody used to pass this FTMO just like that. But there's nothing what we can do about it, guys. There's nothing what we can do about it. Let's just check the stats. So we got average profit is 107. We got average loss of $11. We got risk to reward ratio 9.70. And we got 62% win rate. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just let me down in the comments, man, if you can do that. Look at this. Green, 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 all the way green, and look at those small losses. But everybody knows. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm gonna explain. I thought this is gonna be like a 30 days challenge, but at the end they just literally change it to unlimited. So I'm glad that it's like that. So I just take my time. I know I've been seeing like a lot of gurus. They was like taking 2% of trade and all this stuff, but man, like I'm not like that professional as a trader, and I'm still on my journey. So I know for sure I'm gonna pass it. I know that for sure, and I'm very confident. But we'll see, guys. We'll see how everything is gonna go, because if you see here, the smalls are very small, and the losses are very, very, very tight. And usually I trade on Euro USD, but I had some crazy times and I was like, man, I can't see the setup. So I was trying to jump on another pairs, which was GBP USD, GBP JPY, and I was taking some small scalps, But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. Everything goes well, but for now I just wanted to check in to let you know, guys, I'm good, and hopefully everybody likes my suit, my office suit. If you like my video, guys, you can do whatever you want. I'm out.